What are we doing now, John?
All right, after doing the spark plug and the coil, taking the cover off.
Yep.
I found that this belt is in very poor shape.
And this belt is what?
This is it gets controlled off the camshaft and it controls the water pump.
It controls the water pump.
So if this breaks, you get no cooling on your car.
Oh, wonderful. Okay.
So what I did notice, this is the part number. I went to NAPA to get this belt.
Okay.
We couldn't get the OE one.
No, OEM no longer available. We tried.
So it's pretty simple.
Okay.
I'm gonna pry.
Let's see. You know what? I'm gonna take this off the GoPro and try and get closer by hand.
There it is. So basically, I'm gonna go there. You see, and just eat it off. You watch your fingers when you do this. And go back. Now I'm gonna go underneath. There it is. All right.
Oh, that was okay.
There you go.
Yay.
All right. So then, what you do too is afterwards, you just want to make sure it's around the same size, which it is.
Perfect.
Okay. Now you do this. I like to start with the bottom first.
Okay.
Flashlight, you can see. And there we go. It's very hard to do, like with the phone.
You want me to? This way.
Okay. Alright, so I'm on both pulleys. As you can see. See, pulley. Actually, I'll move this one a little bit more. There we go. On. And I start to...
Show me the other pulley, because I think it didn't get...
Yeah, see down low? There's a pulley. I got it on this pulley, right?
Okay.
And now I start to feed on this pulley, right? Like this. Hold.
Okay.
Grab my bar.
Mm-hmm.
Do the same thing again. Push it and work it around, and that's it.
So you're pushing the pulley with the bar?
Yes, yeah,
just to give it a little give? So
this one is adjustable.
Ah.
See, some of them don't have the adjustable. You're lucky because there's two different types with your car. See, this one's adjustable. See how it gives a little bit?
Mm-hmm.
You got the better model. I like it. It's a lot easier to change the belt. So technically, we are done.
Yay! All right, that was quick.
Yeah, very
Thankfully,
quick.
since it's so cold outside.
As you can see, this breaks, you lose your coolant.
Yeah. Wow.
So
Good thing you saw that.